Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. Here we bring you all kinds of solutions, whether it's a fast fix or an in-depth tutorial. We are here to make problem solving easy for you. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to restore purchases on Inshot app. First of all, you can open the Inshot application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see the settings option at the top right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it, and here you can see the second option, that is restore purchases. If you can restore your Inshot purchases, make sure you have a Inshot Pro member. If you don't have a Inshot Pro member, you cannot restore your Inshot purchases. So now I can tap on restore purchases, and after the loading you can see the purchases that you want to buy in past, and here after the loading you can just simply restore the purchase that you want, and it is a way you can restore purchases on Inshot app. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped to solve your problem, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more solutions. And as always, if you have any question or need further help, drop a comment below. We are here to help you. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.